We all know that in Power BI we have filters, which is by default the time when we install Power BI in our computers. But are you aware that we also have some custom visuals which come to the category of filters? So now, for example, let me talk to you about one of the AI visuals, which is Q&A, which is natural language analysis. So what exactly it does? It's going to give you the result of what question you have asked based upon the data that you have it in your Power BI desktop. Am I right? So now my question is that what if I would like to search something which I have it in my report using a filter visual? Is it possible? Yes. Hi, I'm M. Asif Hussain from KnowHow Academy. What are we going to learn in this video? We are going to learn what are the different types of filters we have in Power BI, what does each type of filter defines, and we are going to see one of the interesting custom visuals, which is text filter or text filter visual in Power BI. So by the end of this video, you will be able to learn the different types of filters, as well as you could be able to practice the custom text filter visual in Power BI. So watch till the end. My dear viewers, here I have a particular report in my particular Power BI desktop. As you can see in this Power BI desktop, I have the different card charts, I have two slicers, I have two donut charts, I have one bar chart, I have one line chart, I have one column chart. So I have all these things. Now, as soon as you have this Power BI desktop, you have this option called filters, which is by default you'll get it the time when we install this Power BI desktop in our computers. Am I right? Yes. So now, if I would like to apply the filter for this particular visual, okay, so then I will go with the filters on this visual. So generally there are three types of filters in Power BI desktop, which is visual level filter. Next we have is report level filter. Next we have is page level filter. So now when we talk about the visual level filter, this filter will be applied to on the selected individual visual. The visual filter, it will be applied on a individual visual to which we have selected. So for example, I have selected this visual, so I can go and use filters on this visual. Now if you do not want only the filter to be applied on an individual visual, but rather you would like to apply the filter on this page, which is home page, so I will go with this option, filters on this page. Okay, so the next type of filter we have is filter on all pages, which is generally we call it as a report level filter. So in report level filter, what's happening is that I have 3 pages in this particular Power BI report. So on all the 3 pages, if I would like to apply the filter, I'll go with the report level filter. So if I would like to just guide you over this individual visual filter, then I can see that I have the total orders. Then I can go with the number of orders that I have, or the days that I can go and select. Okay, so I can go with the top n or top 2 on basis of what? On basis of total orders. If I would like to go and guide it here, if I click on apply filter, as you can see, on basis of total orders, the top 2 days that I have is Thursday and Friday. Okay, so this is the individual type of filter that we can go and use it up. Okay, that we can go and use it up. So there are multiple again different ways. Okay, there are again multiple different ways that I can go and filter the different visuals, which is now we go with the page level filter. So if I would like to apply the filter on this page, so let's consider that I would like to see the sandwiches or the sandwich IDs or sandwich category or whichever. Let me go and take sandwich category here. So if I would like to see the chicken category, then I'll click on chicken, then I'll get all the visuals with only chicken information, right? Now if I go with the classic, then everywhere I can get only the classic. So if you observe, every single visual in this particular report, it is getting changed. Okay, if I would like to get supreme, all the values based upon supreme. If I like to go with veggie, all the values on the basis of veggie. So this is a page level filter. Now if I would like to go and apply the filter on all pages, so the same sandwich category, I would like to go in all the pages. If I like to get chicken, here I'll get all the information based upon chicken. Here also I'm getting every information based upon the chicken. Okay, so that's how exactly it works. All right, so that's how exactly it works. So filters on all pages. So my dear viewers, this filters that I'm talking to you right now, this filter is the default, the one which we get at the time when we install Power BI desktop in our laptops or computers. But now let's focus on one of the interesting custom visuals, which is text filter visual. So for this, what I have to do, let me go and get this custom visual, which we do not have it in a default visual. We have to get it from the marketplace. So I'll go here, get more visuals, and I will go and search for text filter. As you can see, text filter, it is authorized by Microsoft Corporation and it is certified as well. So it's safe and helpful and easy to use. Okay, so let me click on add. Why do we use it? It provides a search box that can be used to filter all the other visuals. So I'll just click on add here. We also have the another type that we can select the different custom visuals. You know, in marketplace we have many, but this is the most commonly used. So now what I'll do, I'll just click on this text filter. So as soon as I click on this text filter, you can see that I have got a box here. So now I can go and add some information in it. Okay, so if I would like to go and take the sandwich category here, okay, it is telling sandwich category, or I can double click it here and I can just rename it to search sandwich category. Okay, if I would like to just type for the search sandwich category. Now if I would like to go with the chicken, and I'll click on enter. As you can see, in everywhere I have got only the chicken information. Or if I would like to go with the classic and click on enter, I'll get everywhere only the classic information. Okay, so in every visual we are getting the classic details itself. So in the same way, if I would like to go and see veggie, then everywhere I'm getting only the veggie information. So my dear viewers, this is particularly helpful for us in order to view or ask what we have in our mindset. So for example, in my mindset, I would like to go and search for different products information, different categories information, different region information, whatever we have it. If I go and try to search it here, yes, I will be easily going to get it. So if you would like to see it much more clear way, what I generally do is that I'll go here, I'll click on format painter and I'll click on format here. Okay, so search sandwich category. So we can go and search the sandwich category as well. So here what we have is that we have an option where we can go and just come back to the normal stage. Okay, so let me go and if you do not want to see sandwich category, okay, if I would like to see the sandwich sizes, okay, there's different sandwich sizes. So we have the sandwich sizes here, L, M, S, XL. So based upon L, okay, what are the sandwich sizes that I have it. If I click on enter, in everywhere you can see that I have the L information based upon it. So now if I just talk about double XL, and if I click on enter, so in everywhere I'm getting only double XL pizza or the double XL sandwich sets or double XL burger or whatever the name you give. Okay, and or the sizes, the information that we have it here. So in the same way, if I would like to go and give the M information, okay, so M size category. So if I click on it, so as you can see that M size sandwiches, what are they? In every visual we are getting the changes. So this is nothing but one of the categories of page level filter itself, because every visual in this particular page is getting changed. So in this way, what we can do is that we can go and interact with this particular text filter visual, and we can ask the text what we want so that it will give us the proper result in the report. So my dear viewers, in this video we have learned what are the different types of filters we have in Power BI. So how does each filter works, and we have seen the interesting custom text filter visual in Power BI. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as your source for IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate the tech world. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. It's been a pleasure sharing this information with you. Stay curious and keep learning.